Hello. Up to here, we solved a simple equation. Then we solved a high-level equation, which is x was to the power 6. But now we're going to solve a nonlinear equation to show that this algebraic constraint block can be applied for all of these equations, even nonlinear equations. There are three parts in this equation, sinus, cosine, and x to the power 3. I get a copy from this part. So I enter 0.5 to the power 3 as we had in the equation. Because x was to the power 3, so I set it 30, and now this gained 0.5. In the next part, we have 2 sinus x. So we use trigonometric function block to simulate it. We need gain 2 for this simulation. The next function is cosine. We change it to cosine. I connect the x to the functions. The gain of cosine x is 0.5 with a negative sign. Now if I run the system, you can see its amount here. Okay, now you can see the output here. Solving this kind of equation by other softwares is difficult, but here we simulated the nonlinear equation by this block in the least possible time, and very easy. It was very easy. Okay, thank you. Thanks for reading with us. Goodbye.